What's up, guys? I wanted to just say a quick thank you to the guys at Street Bandito, Tim, Greg, and Xavier. You guys are awesome. It was great to meet you. I had a lot of fun, and I hope to come around sometime again. It was awesome being able to film some drone shots with you guys. Overall, good day. So, it's getting late. I'm trying to finish up this edit for you. It's work in progress. Definitely trying to learn more, but I'll send you some of the pictures I took as well. And without further ado, let's cue those black bars. Alright, what's up, guys? Let me start off by saying it is Friday night. Tomorrow morning, I am driving down to Baltimore, Maryland from New Jersey to go hang out with the guys at Street Bandito. They are having an open house. I'm really excited for that. But right now, it's about 9 o'clock at night. I'm getting ready for tomorrow. I am worried that my car may break down in the process, so I am preparing myself for that possibility. I have all the parts I need. I just need to gather them, throw them in the car, and then gather any of the tools I may possibly need. So that is what I am doing right now. I already threw my stuff, my camera gear, into the car, and that's ready to go. So don't mind me as I just gather everything and we get to it. It is 6:45 in the morning. I'm about to eat breakfast, and then we're gonna go down to Baltimore to see the guys at Street Bandito. I'll catch up with you in a bit. The sun is finally coming out. It's been like almost an hour and a half in just rain the entire way. I hope it stays like this for the rest of the way. It'll be a nice day. Alright, quick pit stop for Dunkin' Donuts. It's highly needed right now. Drive-thru line's horrendous, so I'm not gonna bother. Check you out when we're there. We're only about half an hour or 45 minutes away. Life's a little bit better with some coffee. Alright, checked it. The GPS, I lied, it's about an hour away. But I'm excited. It's gonna be fun.
You got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Alright, so we just left the Street Bandito open house. They have some really cool builds going on. If you haven't seen them, check it out. I'll link their channel somewhere around here soon. But Tim, Greg, and Xavier, you guys are great. Keep doing what you're doing. I had a really good time at your open house. I'm glad I got to fly the drone with you and provide some footage. Yeah, keep it up. Hope to see you guys sometime soon. Maybe H2O. Cheers.